Okay guys, this is William reporting in China. Today I will bring you to see another new product which they have name is Apple Cabin. So we see this outside looking now like here, and then there we have an engineer designing for make it more beautiful and more different designing with different color, even different shapes. Actually, but this one looks smart and nice actually. You can see actually this is what I really like. All the details you can see for the painting from all this area, and even there was a gluing. They all did very nice and very smoothly, and even the strength of the wall, you can heard about that. They will be really very strength. So this is the idea for the details for that like a production capacity for these Apple cabins. So we just try that what is really fitting inside. I will bring you to inside to see or have the feeling about that. So now I'm inside. Okay, that will be. You know, really, I'm like it, the designing of the color, everything, and this is like small space for me to have my own work, and then I can enjoy my separate time here, and all the color and the cabinet, actually they can pre-made in the workshop. They can finish all that, and then you know that was the cabinet for storage and for my books and for my accessories. Actually, all the details inside, I have to say that the small window here. And even you can do air conditioner, and also, designed for the old client actually. All of our old clients already doing some house business before. Now, this new product for them is good for enjoy the, their seating channels to increase more profits for them. That is a main principle for our old client, because that will be designed like a mobile working space. They can be used like a airport. They can be used like a railway station, or supermarket. Of course, there are some huge company in the office building, they can working on that. So that would be like really like a mobile working space. So we'll be feeling about their idea about now is noisy outside. We can close the door so smoothly. Yeah, okay, that is the idea. So, they're separate, just different. Everybody stopped the work already. They'll be like become a very small and private working space and a private life space for me. That'd be totally nice. So we open the door again. The outside is still noisy, still working actually. So this is really like the feeling and the functional about this room actually. This is a good thing. I think it's really good. This is really what I like. So I wish they will be bring very good profit for you in your market, because everything will be standard. Ship to you, no need assembling, no need working. It's just like a standard work, like you buy electric facilities or electric product, then you just do that like, the cost will be very competitive also. It will be similar like electric tools or electric mobile phone, something like similar. So that'd be good for you to support. So I wish everybody like to open the market for this product. Thank you.